Hi, my name is Mark Olson with Redo Cabinets by Crumwoody Home Pros. Today we're going to be going over replace or reface your cabinets and knowing a little bit about the differences. If you like what you see, click subscribe at the bottom, and we're going to be showing a lot more videos about refacing as well as replacing. So right now we're at a house here that's built in 1998. These cabinets have been painted multiple times, and the last time was about 6 months ago. So likely most people are going to think they want to replace these cabinets. You know, when you look at them, they are kind of getting old, kind of dingy, a little bit worn. But the really unique thing about refacing is we can salvage all this. We can make it look brand new. The boxes are still in great shape. Everything is great structure. Everything is level. There's just no reason to replace this. Also, if you look at the layout of the kitchen, there's really not much you could do as far as remodeling, you know, unless they want to knock down a wall. If they're going to replace these cabinets, we're looking at being in this house a month, 6 weeks to 8 weeks to basically redo everything. Pull them down, knock down walls, fix the electric work. So it becomes very costly and time consuming. The unique thing about refacing is we could be in and out of here within 3 days and you got a brand new kitchen. So what we look for when we go in the house is basically the boxes. If it wants to qualify for refacing, we really want to see the integrity of the boxes. Make sure they're not rotted, they're not falling apart, which these are in great condition. Now you see these doors and drawers have all been painted, even on the hinges. Now let me show you an example over here. So you see this door right here, paint is chipping. Some paint areas that aren't showing. If I look more closely on some of this, you can see more chipping on the sides of these cabinets here. So what we're going to do for refacing, we're going to take these doors and we're going to take all the drawer faces, we're going to pull them off and throw them away. You'll never see them again. We're going to take the hardware as well. You can either reuse it or replace it. Once all the doors and drawers are off, you're left with the face frame and the boxes. We're going to sand everything down, even this paint. We want to get down to the raw wood to the best we can. Once that's done, we put on a 1/4 inch V32 laminate. Use adhesion to get it on there. We're going to do all brand new doors and drawers. This customer also wants new countertops and new backsplash. So again, we're able to do basically a whole kitchen remodel, saving your cabinets. We could get in and out within 3 to 5 days, and you got yourself a whole new kitchen at 1/3 of the cost. So again, check out more videos if you want to learn more. Thanks.